Hello again, this is an Athearn wagon that we've got here today. These blue box wagons are getting on a little bit now. I think they've been out of production for quite some time, but I think they make really good wagons and they come in kit form. You can make them up yourself. This one obviously is a 50-foot plug door box car and it's also Canadian Pacific. It's number 1328 in the Athearn range, and in this video I'll be putting this model together but also weathering it as well and adding some graffiti. Athearn did absolutely hundreds of these box cars in many different liveries. Some of them were, I think, made up. I'm not sure about this one. If you know if this is a genuine Canadian Pacific livery on this particular box car, let me know in the comments below. I'm not so up on my American railroads, but there's certainly a lot of different liveries to choose from with this particular box car, and I've also weathered one of these before. It should be a lot of fun, but there are some things to consider. It's actually quite a dark green colour, so I can't use the usual dark wash on this. So I'm going to do it more in a kind of lighter brown wash over this, and then give it some rust and also obviously the graffiti, which will probably take up most of this area here and on the other side as well. These Athearn kits came with this little envelope which has got all the little extras in it. So let's get this open and we'll check out all the bits. Okay, just bogies, couplings and a brake wheel. So it should be a very easy kit to get together and also get it painted. So let me get the cutting mat down and we'll get started. So the weight goes onto this part, which is the floor of the box car. You can see it does have some kind of indication of planking up here, which is the floor inside this box car, but you can't actually open the doors in the box car, so it doesn't really matter. And you wouldn't see this piece of plastic either, but you would see this metal. It's held on with a frame that goes on here. It's actually quite an ingenious way of doing it, but you can see that you would see the metal there. So I'm going to paint this matte black, paint this with the weathered effect, because you do see some of that underneath the box car, and of course really go to town on the box car itself. And now you can see this has actually been sprayed dark green from the factory. It was actually black plastic. You can actually see that inside here as well. So it's been masked off at the bottom as well. It actually looks pretty good. I'm always quite impressed with the finish on these Athearn wagons. Sometimes the printing isn't too good, but this one looks pretty good. So I guess we can just start on getting this painted. And while I'm doing that, I'll just put on some music so that it'll entertain you rather than me whittering on. So enjoy the music. If you don't like it, just press the mute button and you can watch what I'm doing to this wagon. Okay, let's get it going.